ThinkPad E470 laptop, configurable 14 inches business laptop, powerful and durable. The ThinkPad E470 is light enough to go wherever your business takes you, designed to enhance productivity. The 14 inches laptop has smooth, fast processing, a high-res display, and an ergonomic keyboard as standard. It can also be configured to best meet your business needs for PC storage, memory, graphics, and budget. Key features: get it all in the slim, light ThinkPad registered E470, 14 inches, notebook, remarkable performance, exceptional mobility and outstanding features for business. The latest generation Intel registered processors drives this powerhouse and also ensures improved battery life. All that at a surprisingly affordable price. Exceptional mobility. Choose from our 14 inches E470 display. Each features a thinner professional design, light and easy to carry, perfect for professionals on the go. WHO needs a ThinkPad registered E470 notebook. Anyone who works remotely and wants the convenience notebook with real performance. Businesses seeking notebooks with the latest features at an affordable price. Organizations that want notebooks delivering exceptional performance and manageability. Specifications: processor, Intel registered Core i5 7200U processor. Operating system: Windows 10 Pro. Memory: RAM 4GB DDR4. Hard DRI 1TB SATA. Battery: 48 Wh battery. Up to 6 hours on idle conditions. Screen size and type: 14.0-inch display. Touch function: no. Graphic card: Intel HD graphics 620. Optical disk drive: no. Camera: 720p HD camera with mic ports and slots. Multi-card reader ports: 4-in-1 reader. MMC, SD, SDHC, STXC, 2 USB 3.0, 1 always on, 1 USB 2.0, HDMI, Ethernet, RJ45, combo audio, microphone jack, Wi-Fi, Intel 3165 AC plus PT 4.0. Color black. Warranty: 1 year's on-site warranty, extendable up to 3 years. Total support of up to 4 years including base warranty.